Hello everybody, it's time for another fun-filled episode of Baking with Brian, brought to you by our Cozy Home with Gina. Today we're going to make a recipe. It's a pineapple juice cake. We've seen this on Gina's Aunt Jackie's Facebook page. Thought we would give it a try. So today I am Master Chef Brian. So let's follow along. I'll put something together here and let's see if it tastes any good. So for the cake, we got one 15 1/4 ounce box of yellow cake mix or butter cake mix. And it says it's recommending the Betty Crocker or Pillsbury. What do we got here? Betty Crocker, good old Betty. So we're going to take that, we're going to mix it with 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. My lovely assistant, Gina, from our Cozy Home with Gina, has put all this together for me. She's such a help, such a help. The vegetable oil got 3/4 cup of pineapple juice right here, already measured out. 4 large eggs from, looks like, Adams County eggs again. Thank you, Doug, for those Adams County eggs. Makes everything all much better. So we're going to start mixing that together. Let's get this cake mix out. Look at that. She's already cut it up. She didn't want to see me struggle with trying to break the bag open and get it everywhere. So we're going to put that cake mix in here. Get that in there. I want to make sure that I remind you that get your oven prepared at 325 degrees, preheated that is. We're going to put the vegetable oil in here and the pineapple juice cake. I think this is going to be a little different than the pineapple upside down cake I made a while back. If you go back a few episodes on Gina's YouTube channel, you'll see that. But we're going to we've got to get these eggs in there too. Maybe I'll mix this up just a little bit before we get the eggs in there. Okay, that's a little bit. Let's put some eggs in there. See if I can get in there without shells. Number 1. Number 2. So far so good. Number 3. One of these episodes I won't be able to do this with one hand. Not today. Okay. And number 4. We got them in there, no shells, good deal. Won't be a crunchy cake. All right, let's get this mixed up. We got everything, all the ingredients in there. Mix this all together really good. I'm doing this by hand. I'm not doing it with a mixer. Got the KitchenAid mixer over there, but I'm not going to get it dirty. Not going to make my assistant clean it up. She will. She'll clean it up.
Your assistant would like to have a raise.
No comment. Raise. What are you talking about? We're doing this for free. We do this for free. We ain't getting paid for this. This is for fun. This is for the heck of it. Fun. Having fun. Just fun. I'm not professing to be any kind of chef or anything professional or anything. I'm just following instructions. Follow instructions the best I can. I think we got this thing mixed up pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is try the butt pan again. I've been successful with all of them so far, making it with the butt pan. Jean is all upset with me. She won't talk to me because I can do the butt pan. She can't. She says she can't. Got that done. And the next thing we're going to do is we got it mixed up. Hey, it says use an electric mixer, but I didn't do that. I used the hand whisk here. Okay. Then we're going to put the batter in the bundt pan. We're ready to put that in there. It says evenly. I don't know what evenly is going to be. It's going to go in here. However, turn it around here a little bit. All right. Yeah, it looks pretty even. That oven is prepared. 325 degrees. We're going to put it in there for about 30 to 35 minutes until, as usual, use a toothpick, insert it in the center portion to make sure it comes out clean. If it does not, leave it in for a little while longer. Try it again in a different spot. We also want to make sure that the cake edges are going to start to pull away from the pan, so that makes it easier to come out. I'll put it in this oven now. All right, got it in the oven. We're gonna let it bake for a while, and then we'll be back shortly and we'll work on preparing that glaze. Welcome back from that commercial break, everybody. Let's wrap this up and get this powdered sugar glaze all together. For the glaze, we need 2 cups of powdered sugar right here in the bowl. My wonderful assistant, Gina, has put that together for me. Also, we need 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. This little can right here, I am told by my wonderful assistant Regina that this is 3/4 cup exactly. She wants me to shake it up. She showed me the shake sign, so we're going to shake it up. All right, and we also have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter here, already melted, ready to be mixed in. So now we need to mix this together. We're going to mix it together, and then we're going to cook it on the stove. All right, can's done, butter's going in. Here we go. Here's the butter. All good and go. Let's mix this together a little bit.
I didn't even do those.
My assistant Regina.
My mom calls me that, and I'm usually in trouble.
Regina D. My assistant Gina failed me. You're fired. She failed me. She did not get my pan prepared. Even I know that the glaze has to be done in a pan over the stove. We will take a break here shortly while she gets my pan prepared. All right, folks, time to be serious. I'm going to be looking for a new assistant. Applications will be accepted. You will need to be able to prepare everything for me. I mean, everything, down to the last piece, everything. I don't want to do nothing. All I want to do is mix it together and put it together and do it. Done. You got to clean up the mess. You got to go buy the ingredients at the store, bring it in. You got to go out and research. If there's a recipe or something, you got to be able to research that recipe. All I want to do is just follow the recipe and just put it together. I need valid assistance, please. All right, watch, Gina. This is how you do it. You've seen me put it together, right? Now let's flip it over. You think it's going to come out? You think?
With your
Maybe.
luck, probably.
Maybe. Let's see. Flip.
And you get a close up.
There you go. Voila. We're going to move that to the resting place, and then we're going to put that glaze on it while it's still warm. Okay, so I moved the cake over here onto just a regular plate. You can put it on anything you want. My plate that I've got here is cupped in so that whatever I'm putting on it, the glaze is going to stay with the cake instead of flow outside. Some of your cake dishes are flat. Some of them have ridges around them to help with the glaze. I like to use a tapered one for this one because I want the glaze to stay with the cake. Now I'm going to poke some holes in this cake with this little round handle on this small spatula. I want to go just a little ways down. Poke some holes around. Pour that glaze down into those holes and around the outside. All right, got my glaze over here all cooked together with the sugar and the pineapple juice and the sugar.
We might want to explain that I did the glaze wrong. So if you're cooking it on the stove, your butter does not have to be melted.
No, you're going to melt it while you're cooking it.
Yes.
So again, applications are accepted. We're accepting all and every application. So I'm going to take this, I got a sauce spoon here. I'm going to take this sauce spoon and I'm going to kind of pour into those holes the best I can. Okay, got that glaze in there. Looks like we almost overflowed the cake, the plate. You may have to take a little bit of that out. Got a nice little pool in the middle of the cake there. We're going to add just a little bit of powdered sugar to the top, just to give it a little bit of spritzing, spritz it up a little bit. Just a tiny little bit. Don't want a whole lot. It's already going to be sweet, but thought we'd do it a little bit just to give it some frosting on top, kind of like snow. We've had a little bit of snow here in Indiana, so who doesn't like a little bit of snow on top of their cake? A little frosting. I think that looks good right there. Okay, I'm going to carve me out a piece here just to see what it looks like. Look at that. Well, all right, folks. I'm going to try this right here.
Tastes like pineapple.
You can taste it. I want to thank you all for stopping by. Appreciate you watching the videos. If you'd like to see me bake something, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by and hope to see you soon.